Hindi nagsisira, nagmamanufacture. Tinatapper nila yung mga documents para makasingil.
Okay.
First progress billing. For example, I gave them one example na yung notice of award was given, say, December 17. Ano? Tapos yung notice to proceed, the following day, December 18. After 2 days, nagpa-progress billing, naniningil na ng 46%. And then after 7 days, nakasingil ng 46%, I think 42 million. And then another, give or take, 2-3 months, kasi March 14, naka 89%. And March 19, or another 5 days, completed. Nakasingil na ng buo. So how could that be physically possible? That's only one case. There are other cases na 2 projects, parang kambal sila, sabay yung notice of award, sabay yung notice to proceed, sabay din yung pagsingil ng first progress billing, sabay din yung second progress billing, lahat. Ganon na ka-brazen. No? Wala nang regard sa baka mahalata tayo, baka mabuhay. Ang tawag doon, hubris. No? So, overconfident na lahat parang kaya nilang bayaran.
Sir, may statement kasi